This is the Tuya Smart Wi-Fi ZigBee Control Panel. It can be used to control all Tuya devices attached to it. It's used to control your lights, control your cameras, your IP cameras connected to it, your air condition, water dispenser, and other devices attached to it. It has a knob adjuster which can be used to control these devices without touching the screen, and it can be controlled using your smartphone from anywhere that you are. It also accepts voice control when attached to your Alexa or your Google, and likewise. So this device is smart. It operates all devices like I said before, so you can use it to switch off and on your lights. Light goes off when you, and other things, other devices attached to it.